Today we will watch the Jeep Gladiator manufacturing plant at Toledo Assembly Complex, Ohio, USA. The assembly begins with the body shop, where the robots assemble various types of body and trolley parts. Then the robots weld various parts of the body, and the body is sent to the next station. Now, different types of manual and laser robotic inspection processes are performed. Next, the transmission engine is assembled and tire testing is performed. After the engine is installed on the chassis, the robots inspect the engine's fitting through a laser. Later on, the chassis are sent to the further process using a lifting conveyor. Then the robot paints the body with filler coating paint. The filler coating color is selected by the customer. After that, the body is polished and the painting is inspected. Now the parts are assembled on the body and the Jeep logo is attached. Then the bumper, tailgate, logo, and dashboard are installed using a lifting device. Next, the robots attach the body and trolley with the chassis and send them for the further assembly. Now the seats and roof are installed using a lifting device. Finally, Jeep Gladiator is ready to be delivered to customers.